Hi guys, here still binary options channel and we are trading on QUOTEX today. I'm gonna use today the strategy with the two indicators. I lately been last talking about the indicators and stuff, but I'm getting back. I'm gonna use today the CCI indicator and the volume oscillator. I'm gonna use the candles like 0.37 as always. I'm gonna trade on the 1 minute interval, and this is just like quite nice and simple strategy. And if you wanna learn more about that or just see how it goes, just proceed to this video. So we are just get back on track. That's my favorite moment, the first bat that we have. And today I'm just gonna use the strategy that I personally really and truly love it. And I actually have recommended to some of my friends and that was profitable. But I don't do that, to some strangers or stuff, just for my friends. That's why I can be sure that they're not gonna be blaming me, and anything. Here it was with the pairs. We were choosing the pairs, as you know, the most profitable. Now just a little setup and indicators, changing the periods. We're gonna trade today in 1 minute periods and intervals. And with all bets, it depends on you. There is nothing special about that, just your strategy and analytic. Okay, and here we're gonna finish in all setups, and we made a first bet. This is just an upward movement prediction, and just checking with all indicators, and CSI was actually pointed out that it's going to be upward movement and the volume oscillator, so we're actually pretty sure that it's going to be like that. So just let's wait a bit. So we have like 5 seconds left here and calculating the first win. Yep, the first profit just less than $200, but that's a lot, in our modern world. Here the previous chart was already fucked up. I'm sorry, but it was a mess. And we are just changing to the next one and just check what you can see here on this chart. And this is actually a gold mine. This is actually a pretty cool situation, just to make this simple and obvious bet. And I love it. I love just how it works. And actually graph is about to behave as we want it to behave. And the prediction here, the thought here for the smallest, for the smallest bet is like it's gonna go down, it's gonna go lower than this level. And it's just like a miracle situation because it's just exactly as it was on the previous one. So we're gonna wait just one more time. So now we're just about to check how the all two indicators, the oscillator and CCI, just worked it out, and it worked it out again. It was just duplicating, itself, and that was the obvious win for us. And we are changing the currency pair. Let's switch. Let's check what's gonna be better and what's gonna actually demonstrate that this strategy is perfectly working. It is just for prediction, not reverse trend, just the prediction. And here we're observing the picture that we have, and it's actually the chart just going in the same direction, but the candle here, it's green. So we just raised the bet and we made it like doubled, and we bet and we wait what we can see here. So here back to the chart, and without any counting and the seconds, that is actually obvious that this is gonna be our third win, and we are making it bigger because we made a bet. Now we gotta switch and check what we have here, the chart, the next one, and what we actually see here. And again, let's switch here Yep, just checking the situations, checking the best time to enter, and we go back. Okay, here we gotta raise the bet. Yep, just double it again. And what you actually can check here also, and the CCI and the oscillator is just going in the different directions, which actually means that I need to put the candles aside, and this bet is gonna be correct, as I think again. So let's wait how it's gonna be. So our next bet is about to be profitable again, and I just love it. I truly love this strategy. You know, it works, and now we were raising and raising and having like 700s in our bank account, and that's a good result. Now we gotta some switching. We gotta change what we see here. Not actually love it, but I think it's gonna be again. Let's check. Yep, just some thoughts about that. Okay, we made it for up because we actually just saw the candle. I was not so sure, but when I just started to see this little tiny green